Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put on a school belt. First, take the end of your belt without the buckle and thread it through the buckle's frame. Pull the belt around your waist, ensuring it passes through all the belt loops on your trousers or skirt. Adjust the belt until it feels comfortably snug around your waist, ready for the next step of securing it properly. This initial step sets the foundation for a neat and secure fit throughout the day. Now, let's secure the belt. Once the belt is around your waist, locate the metal prong on the buckle. Carefully push this prong through the belt hole that provides the most comfortable and secure fit. You should aim for a snug feel, but not so tight that it restricts your breathing or movement. There are usually several holes, so choose the one that feels just right for you. With the belt secured, it's time to manage any excess length. Take the remaining part of the belt and thread it through the first belt loop on your trousers or skirt, located just after the buckle. If your uniform has a second loop, use that too for an even neater finish. This step ensures the belt lies flat against your body, preventing it from flapping or looking untidy throughout your school day. For a perfect fit every time, remember these tips. Ideally, your belt should have about 3 to 5 holes remaining after you've fastened it, indicating the correct length. Practice putting on your belt a few times to become quicker and more confident. Always double-check that your belt is comfortable and looks neat before heading out, ensuring you present a smart appearance for school.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.